So here's how to edit video in Capcut app in laptop. Let's start off with the Capcut application on your PC. Once you're here, click on Import. Select the file you want to import from here, and then click on Open below. Now, go over the imported picture and click on the plus icon to add it to track. Then, go to the top panel and click on Text. Tap on the plus icon over it again to add it to track. Edit the length of the text to match it with the photo. After that, change the text and its size. You can also change the font as shown in here. Then click on Animation on the top right corner. Here, choose the animation according to your preference. Now, go to the top panel and click on the Effects icon. Choose the effect that you want and download it to add it to your video. Go to the Filters section beside and do the same to add it to the video. Then, go to the top left corner and click on Media. After that, tap on Export. And that's it. You can now easily edit video in Capcut app in laptop.